Hey guys, let's compare the dash cams that I have here. This is the GKU D700. This is the Vantrue N4, okay? I have this camera for 4 years. It's recording pretty fine. It never fails. As long as you have a good SD card here, it's going to work. After some time, of course, you need to replace the SD card because there's some wear and tear, but it works pretty good. I have 3 cameras here, one pointing to the front, another one to the rear, and another one that's inside here. So it's a cabin camera. The GKU here is only 2 cameras, pointing to the front and the rear camera, but this one is 4K, so the resolution is much better than this one. That's 1080p, right? And also this one, it's touchscreen, so I can just lock the video, I enable the microphone, the Wi-Fi, whatever I want to hear, just touching it. In this one, I need to use the buttons here, okay? I prefer to use the touchscreen. It's pretty easy. I can lock the video pretty fast. This also locks the video if there's some bump on the car. It locks by itself. I can use my cell phone. I just enable the Wi-Fi there. I connect to my cell phone and I can see it from here. So it's pretty useful. I can also play the video from here, so it works pretty fine. Guys, I'm using this camera here for 2 months, just to compare to this one, because I live here in Florida. It's pretty hot. When I come here into the car, it's very, very hot. And the camera works pretty fine, okay? This camera is still working for 2 months and never failed. And this one for 4 years and never failed, as long as I replaced the card, that was what I was saying, okay? But I'm just testing this for 2 months and it still works pretty good, so I trust this right now, because 2 months is a lot. Under like constant sun, works pretty fine, right? So with 4K and a touchscreen and everything else, I prefer this one. But if you are like a Uber or something, you need an internal camera, a cabin camera, then you need to go with this one, because here's the third camera and works pretty good. There's also the night vision here and works fine, right? So I recommend both of them if you prefer like just have 2 cameras, the front camera, the rear camera, touchscreen, cell phone, whatever you want here, and a large LCD. You can go with this one. If you need the third camera, I recommend this one, okay? This one has a good price, very affordable, and it's pretty good. And this one is a little bit expensive compared to this one, but has 3 cameras here. And you can also come and look for new versions with 4K as well, right? But I recommend both cameras depending on your needs, all right? So guys, leave your comments here. What do you think about this camera? Do you have any experience with the cameras? And also subscribe to this channel. I see you in the next video.